Hello, Stephane Reinhardt here, Director of Education for the C.L.E.A.R Institute. And I have this question a lot of times from dentists. They want to come to my clinic, see how I treat my patient with Invisalign, how we use it, what is the workflow. So I thought of doing this video to show you, well, not how to do it, but how not to do it, because it's going to be more fun. So enjoy! Today we're beginning your Invisalign treatment. Number one. Listen, I can't seem to find number 1, but I have number 8.
Do you really know what you're doing?
Hey! Remember? I won a trophy. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this thing here and I'm gonna retract your big cheeks. I don't need this damn thing! Okay, now I'm gonna put some etch on your teeth. This is acid. It makes holes in your enamel. Okay, now make sure you keep calm. Very important to stay calm when we put the etch. Keep calm. It's not fast enough. Okay, I'm just going to remove the tip because for me it's not fast enough. Okay. Oh shit. Keep calm. It's okay. It's only etch. Okay. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Excellent.
It's burning! By God!
No, it's okay. Chit. No, it's okay. Shh. So even if there's a little bit of etch that's left there, it's gonna go away. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to try the aligner. You know, I want to make sure that it doesn't cut, that it's polished and everything. So this one is perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now we're gonna do the attachments on your teeth. 2006, that's perfect. Okay. Perfect. Put this in your mouth, open wide. Give me this. This is mine. Take this here. Okay, and you go with the light everywhere for 2 minutes. Okay? And yeah. It's perfect. All the attachments are in the aligner, so that's very good. It's gonna make some pressure on your teeth and it's gonna make them move. Okay, now we're going to do some IPRs, like putting your teeth on a diet. I have to prepare you, okay? This is really to help you, okay? Are you okay? Oh my God, look at you. I told you not to move. Let's clean you up. Boy. Oh, it's perfect. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give you all the aligners for 5 years, and I'll see you back in 5 years, okay? You're good. Very good. Very, very good. You're still there? Come with me. You know what? I look at you, already looks good. See you back in 5 years.
Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, 14 too. 54, 255, 256. Thank you, doctor.
I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much. Thank you. You know, I'm not like that in real life most of the time. So if you want more videos, these clear tips might be interesting for you. There's a new clear tip every week that we put on the channel. So subscribe on the channel, click the bell, and you will be noticed every time. So now it's time to go and make the move.